Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Crypto markets moved lower this week as traders reacted to the Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes. Bitcoin is trading near $112,700, down almost 5% over the last week. ETFs added to that pressure, and spot Bitcoin funds saw nearly $1 billion in outflows this week. Ethereum ETFs also bled close to $1 billion. That makes 4 straight days of withdrawals for both, underscoring cautious sentiment heading into Jackson Hole. Speaking of Jackson Hole, all eyes are on Fed Chair Jerome Powell. His upcoming address will be his last at the Wyoming summit before his term ends next May. Powell is expected to focus on inflation, unemployment, and the Fed's long-term policy approach. This comes as the central bank faces heavy pressure from the White House to cut rates. Powell has stressed the importance of Fed independence even as political attacks intensify. On the corporate front, Hong Kong's Ming Shing group made headlines this week by announcing a plan to acquire more than 4,200 Bitcoin worth over $480 million. The deal will be financed through convertible notes and warrants, not cash. The news sent Ming Shing's stock up 10%, showing how traditional industries are moving into Bitcoin treasury strategies. In Washington, the Department of Justice outlined a major policy shift. Officials said they will no longer target software developers who create decentralized platforms without criminal intent. Acting Assistant Attorney General Matthew Galliotti stated that writing code alone is not a crime. The move follows years of debate over cases like Tornado Cash and comes as the DOJ disbands its crypto enforcement team. Politics were also in the spotlight this week. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss donated more than $21 million in Bitcoin to launch the Digital Freedom Fund PAC. The group's mission is to back pro-crypto candidates aligned with President Trump's agenda in the 2026 midterm. It marks a new chapter for the twins, who previously supported the bipartisan super PAC Fair Shake. And on Capitol Hill, Senator Senator Lummis is leading the charge on crypto market structure legislation. She says her goal is to move the bill through the committees this fall and have it on the president's desk by the end of the year.
We go back to work in the Senate on September 3rd. We are working market structure with the goal of having it out of the Senate Banking Committee by the end of September. And then the Ag Committee, the Senate Ag Committee, hopefully will work their part of it, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission part of market structure, through the month of October. And we will have market structure to the president's desk before the end of the year. I hope it's before Thanksgiving. So that's our goal. So we will have market structure done this year.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and a follow, and head over to bitgo.com to learn even more.